In this example, we're going to find the slope of the line tangent to the curve shown at the point with x-coordinate 3, and then find an equation of the line tangent to the curve at that point. Let's go ahead and start by finding the actual point, the point at which the tangent line is based. To do that, a couple of things. The curve y equals x squared minus 2x is the same as the graph of the function f of x equals x squared minus 2x. And notice when x is equal to 3, the function value is 3 squared minus 2 times 3, which is 9 minus 6, which is 3. So the actual point on the graph, which the tangent line is based, is 3, 3. To get the slope of the tangent line, we're going to use the slope formula that I gave you in the notes. It's the limit as h approaches 0 of f of c, in this case, is 3, so f of 3 plus h minus f of 3, all of that divided by h. Well, f of 3 plus h I get by replacing every x in the formula for f of x by 3 plus h. So what does that look like in this case? Well, we've got x squared, which becomes 3 plus h quantity squared, and then minus 2 times x, which becomes 3 plus h. So that's f of 3 plus h. And then we subtract f of 3, which we've already calculated. Calculated that right here. And again, all of this is divided by h. So now we have some algebra to take care of. If we expand out the 3 plus h quantity squared, we get 9 plus 6h plus h squared. Distribute the negative 2. That's negative 6 minus 2h minus 3. And should be able to simplify this somewhat. Well, we've got an h squared. Let's start with that. And then we've got 6h minus 2h, which is plus 4h. And then we have 9 minus 6 minus 3, which is 0. What we can do now is factor the numerator. We can factor out h. We get h times h plus 4. The h, factor of h in the numerator cancels the factor of h in the denominator. And as h approaches 0, we see that our limit is 4. So that's the slope of our tangent line. Now I want to write an equation for that tangent line. I know that every non-vertical line has an equation of the form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-coordinate of the y-intercept. Well, I know what the slope is in this case. It's 4. So I can at least say this much. One way of finding b is by using a point that is known to lie on the line. In this case, that would be the point 3, 3. We know that lives on the line, so its coordinates have to satisfy the equation of the line, meaning if in this equation I replace x by 3 and y by 3, I should get a true statement, so I'm going to do that. Solve for b, and we get -9. So the equation of this tangent line is y equals 4x plus b, which is -9. And we're done.